Let me tell you a story. There was once a guy named Jeff. Heard about Google. Jeffrey thought Google was awesome. He loved how cool the working environment culture looked there. He has been coding like a maniac for several years, working his butt off. He just doesn't know how to go about getting his dream job at Google, so he doesn't take any action, and therefore Jeffrey did not get a job at Google. Do not be like Jeffrey. Why would you want a job at one of the big four, that being Amazon, Facebook, Google and Microsoft, sometimes called the Big Four, are companies well known for their pay, perks and prestige. Also, legend says that there is indeed free food, and this legend has been confirmed. Hello, my name is Chizzy. On this channel I post content. In this video I will be providing you with information and practical advice on how to get a job at Google minus the BS, or one of the big four tech companies. Before we start, drop a like on the video for the sake of good karma and positivity. So enough chitty chat. Let's dive right in. First on our list is networking. Yes, I know. You probably saw this coming. You need to build relationships. Reach out to other people in the tech industry who could refer you to the company. This exponentially increases your chances of getting an interview. Here's a key insider tip. Buy coffee. Lots of coffee for people. Buy coffee for people. Take them out to a cafe, and whilst you and that other person drink Z coffee, pick their brain and gather as much info as you can about the tech industry from them. Get some tips and info. Also, the employees at the company get a referral bonus for every person they refer to the company who gets recruited, so that is a major incentive for them to help you. So be sure to reach out. This is a huge thing, by the way. You're going to want to take note of this. Next up, mock interviews. Trust me on this. Mock interviews are a huge part of preparation. You must practice before doing an interview at Google. Actually, I would recommend doing this for any job interview, especially like a company as like high level as Google. Learn about what questions and problems you will be given to solve during your job interview for Google. Practice the crap out of them. Failure to plan, plan to fail. Now it is your choice what you will do with this information. I would recommend summarizing this info in your own words so that you remember it. In reality, the only person who is going to get you that dream job position is you. It will not fall into your lap. Don't keep consuming information and not acting or doing anything with it. You must be persistent and smart with this. You have a lot of competition. I will be linking useful content in the description below that I hope will help you. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you found the information helpful. Good luck on your journey, stay safe and have a phenomenal day.